lovely to meet you,
You too.
finally. And we're really pleased to have launched our Rising Sun Nutrition products, the sardine capsules and the fermented sardine salt. And this is all courtesy of our relationship with Toby at Port Lincoln Sardine. And Toby's going to tell us a little bit about the factory processing side of things from his production.
Yep. So we catch all the sardines ourselves. We bring them from the boat to here in our big chilled bins, and then they get processed in our gift tank behind us here. They are individually quick frozen, so snap frozen at really cold temperature. We then pack them in boxes and ship them out.
Great.
Very simple.
And your products that you produce yourselves, well, we previously had a chat.
Yep.
You have a fish sauce.
Yep, we do a fish sauce, and we also do various different pet products. And we sell our sardines in the food industry, the pet food market, and in bait as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, fantastic. Can't get much more whole food and pure and healthy as that. And you fish all year round?
Most of the year, yeah.
What's the most productive time?
Every year is different, but usually the warmer months brings the fish around.
Mm-hmm.
When it gets a bit colder, they tend to disappear.
Yeah, and seasonally they change
A little,
with
yeah.
fat content,
Yep,
don't they?
they do definitely. Yep. So in the summer months, they're putting on more fat, more oil, and then so they can burn through that in the winter.
And sardines on your daily dish?
Not personally.
Not personally. Oh, Toby, disappointed.
I would like to eat them more, but I don't generally have time.
Yeah.